Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Trendy Maths, and I'll be making a new video this week. And I know I didn't post on Monday, but obviously it was bank holiday and you can't expect us to post on bank holiday. Okay, so today I'll be showing you another topic, obviously, and I just want to begin this really quickly. And also thank you for so many subscribers. I never thought I would come this far, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. Okay, let's get started. So today I'll be showing you how to multiply fractions, and I think that we will learn to do this later on and things, but I just want to make you start off with this so you can quickly understand it and get on with it. Okay, so let's get on with the video. The first thing that you are going to be doing is choosing a question. Well, yeah, basically you're going to have a question. So here's a question from me to you. 2/3 times 1/4. It's pretty basic and you're probably going to learn really quick. Okay, so for this video you're going to need to know how to simplify and other things. So you have these fractions, but you don't know how to work them out. And I'm going to be showing you how to work them out, basically. So you have 2 times 1 and 3 times 4. I think normally your teacher wouldn't tell you to do this in addition or subtraction. No, you do not need to make the denominators the same. And again, we do not need the same denominator. That's just confusing it for yourself, and it's just going to make your work a lot more harder. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing to solve this is to do times the numerators and times the denominators. I know this sounds crazy, but this is how you do it, and it's basically how to do it. And don't turn the denominators the same. There's still a big fat cross. Okay, so 2 times 1 is 2. Got that. 3 times 4 is 12. And we've got that. Now you have 2 12s, and it's pretty basic. You need to know your times tables. If you don't know your times tables, then go check out my other times tables video. And it's a really great app that helps you learn your times tables. And if you have already, then thanks a lot. Okay, so you times the numerators and you times the denominators. Times the numerators and times the denominators. Okay, you have 2 12s. But you can't leave it like this. You do not leave it like this. So you have to do something to it, and I'm hoping you guys have learned this, and that is simplifying. Yes, you need to know how to simplify. And simplifying is very basic, and if you don't get it, then obviously comment down below for me to make a video on how to simplify. But it's very basic. You do it in the simplest form. Okay, so 2 and 12 both go into the 2 times table. So you divide them by 2 and all that to simplify. They go in the same times table. This is the only possible answer for this. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 12 divided by 2 is 6. I hope you guys know that. If you don't, then obviously check out my video and practice your times tables every day, of course. And so you have your answer 1/6, and that's pretty basic. Let's just do another example to clear this up. So we have 9/18 times 1/2. This is our next question, and I hope you guys can learn to solve this with the last example I did. If you want to solve it, then pause the video and have a go at it. But if you're not still sure, then I could show you. So 9 times 1 is 9. So you times the numerator. And 18 times 2 is 36. This can be a bit hard for some people, 18 times 2, but it's just basic. Double 18 is 36 and stuff. Okay, so you have 9/36. And again, you need to simplify this. Always keep simplifying in your head, because we are going to get used to simplifying when timesing by fractions. Okay, so 9/36. Which times tables do they both go in? Right, they go in the 3 times table. So 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 12 is 36. But we just... wait a minute. 3/12 is not in the simplest form. It goes into the 3 times table. So we need to simplify it even further. Yes, sometimes we have to simplify it a bit more to get the answer, but it's all worth it. So 3 over 12, both go in the 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 4 is 12. Your answer is 1/4, and you know this because 36 is 1/4 of 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. And that's basically it. I hope that you understood that. We'll do just one more example, and it'll be just quick to just brush up the skills. We have this question right here, 12 over 1 times 8 over 2. And you may notice something about this. You see that they can all be simplified in a different way. 12 over 1 is the same as 12. And 8 divided by 2, because that line, this line, fraction 9, means divide. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That basically gives us 12 times 4. That's 48. So some questions are like this. They're like meant to trick you, so you do it the long way. And actually you realize, oh, there was a shorter way. Now let's see at this. You get the answer 48, and you can do it the other way. Let me just show you the other way, just to make you unconfused. 1 times 2 is 2. 12 times 8 is 96. I hope you guys knew that. And if you know your times tables, and if you know halving, doubling and stuff, you know 96 divided by 2, half of 96, is 48. Yeah. So you get the answer, see, whichever method you do it. If you find this one easier, then do this one. If you find this one easier, then do this one. It's entirely up to you which method that you use, as long as it's like most efficient for you and it's the easiest way for you. Okay, so I'm just going to be writing some steps down to show you all the different steps of, let's say, timesing fractions. Yep. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Here are your 5 steps to success. Number 1, read your question. Number 2, see if it can be simplified in any way, and I mean any way. Number 3, times the numerators together. Number 4, times the denominators together. Number 5, simplify your answer if it can be simplified. So this is your 5 steps to success. I hope that they are useful for you because they are certainly helpful and they can help a lot. Yeah. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and never miss an episode, because some of these could be really helpful to you. I know that my episodes aren't really the best, but you might think otherwise. Bye for now.